Cellchronic introduced new on-grid hybrid inverter series, Galaxy 6 GEU 5 kW. Specification of
Galaxy 6 G5 kilowatt.
based on IP65 technology. Water resistance. Pure sine wave output. Power factor 1. Off-grid capacity 5 kW. On-grid capacity 6.5 kW. Solar capacity 6.5 kW. 100% load carrying capacity. 200% surge capacity. Color touch LCD display. Parallel capacity up to 16 unit. 80 kW system can be designed with combination. Can connect in single and three-phase. Real-time power sharing function. Can mix solar and grid power for home load. Can run to 1.5 tone air condition with rest home load. Quick installation. Free accessories. Battery wires and AC/DC box. We have limited stock. How to buy Galaxy 6 G5 kW. Online and offline. For online, go to our website www.cellchronic.com and you can download Cellchronic application from Play Store. For offline, you can contact with dealers and distributors, and email us on contact@cellchronic.com. For more information, call us on this number.